Want to make sure you're on track to graduate? We got you.
Academic advisors play a really important role to student success at CMU. I really encourage students to meet with them at least once a year.
Academic advising is a core component to the Central Career Guarantee. We're able to help the students through all of the phases. We can help them figure out their proper course sequencings for classes that they've had at their community college, what's going to transfer, the course sequencing that they'll have here.
We can talk about career professionalism, fieldwork experiences, and networking. We encourage them to have self-reflection. What's next? What are your next plans about either postgraduate goals, grad school, or even just those career goals of what's next?
Also because we partner with so many different offices that they may not be aware of, for example, the Career Development Center. Also, again, connecting them with their faculty if there's an internship requirement for their major and getting that experience that they need can also be really helpful in terms of their career path.
Not sure what classes to take? Start here.
The biggest thing we want students to know is that it's okay to be unsure. We've got a lot of students that come in a little stuck, maybe they're undecided between multiple majors.
Part of going to college is just that self-reflection and self-discovery of what students really want in their career and after graduation. But there are steps in trying to find that major. So first, I would suggest start looking at the bulletin, see what CMU offers, see what kind of majors spark your interest, and also what majors don't spark your interest. Sometimes knowing what you don't like is really just as valuable as what you do like. And then you can start taking classes in those majors to see if that's a good fit for you. Then once you start knowing a few majors that you like, you can start talking to faculty advisors and just learn more about those programs and career pathways.
The support behind the Central Career Guarantee starts here. So what should I be doing in my first semester at Central?
The first thing you want to do is opt in to the Central Career Guarantee. Very important then that you know what all the different requirements are for that and what's needed, and then meeting with your advisor after that too, just to make sure that you're staying on track with your major and with all the help that you need with other career questions.
As they go through the phases of Central Career Guarantee, they do that self-exploration, see what majors are a good fit for them, start taking classes in those programs. I tell every student, you may come to Central not knowing what you want to go into, but you will graduate with a degree in a major that you will really like.
Academic advising is a core component to the Central Career Guarantee. We're able to help the students through all of the phases, right? So we can help them communicate and figure out their proper course sequencing, as well as helping them network, meet faculty advisors, and get them connected with resources on campus.